This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Remove the engine cover. Locate the PCV valve on the valve cover. Disconnect the hose. Then remove the PCV valve. Install the new PCV valve and tighten it securely. Reconnect the hose and secure the clamp. Install the engine cover and tighten the bolts securely, but do not over-tighten them.